Hey everybody, welcome to Cara's Cucina, YouTube's first and only Emmy-nominated cooking show. I'm Cara Di Falco. Today I'm going to show you a great recipe for spring, a really easy no-bake dessert. Today I'm going to show you how to make Basil Balsamic strawberries. This is one of my favorite combinations, especially in the springtime and the early summer. Strawberries are one of the first berries to come into the markets, and not only are they beautiful and delicious, but they're really good for you. Strawberries are loaded with antioxidants, start clearing out the body from all that winter meat and potatoes that we've been eating. They're also loaded with vitamin C, so they really boost your immune system as well. Then of course we've got some beautiful fresh basil, which again, antioxidants, flavonoids, all kinds of great stuff in there to just kind of help bring your body into that warmer weather feeling. And we're going to be using some balsamic vinegar, which of course we're going to make a balsamic reduction out of this. So when you're using something just as a single ingredient or very minimal ingredients, of course you want the best of the best. So you really want to look for that PGI symbol on your balsamic vinegar, and that makes sure that it's from Modena or Emiglia Romagna, which are the only two regions in Italy that are actually certified to make balsamic vinegar. So again, just really quality control your ingredients and you're gonna have a really delicious meal. So I have about a cup of vinegar and we're gonna bring it to a boil in this pan. Just to a boil, don't let it continue to boil. And then from there we're gonna reduce it to a simmer, and we're gonna let it simmer for about 15 minutes until it becomes nice and thick and syrupy, and it's gonna start to coat the back of the spoon, and that's gonna be our balsamic glaze for our strawberries. I also have about a pound of strawberries here that I already hulled and sliced up, and we're just gonna add about a tablespoon of sugar to these and toss them around. We're gonna let them just kind of hang out with that sugar, or macerate is the fancy word for it, for about the same amount of time that it's gonna take to reduce our vinegar. Now, strawberries obviously are plenty sweet. The vinegar is going to become even more sweet as we reduce it. So we don't need a lot of sugar in this dish. Looks good, we'll let those hang out. This is now simmering, so again, we're gonna let this go for about 15 minutes until it reduces. It's been about 15 minutes and now we can see our balsamic is nice and syrupy. It leaves a line when I draw the spoon through it. It sticks to the back of the spoon. So we're gonna let this cool a little bit. We're just gonna transfer it to a glass jar, and then from there we can assemble our dish. At this point, now that our strawberries have macerated, we're gonna add in our fresh basil. It smells so amazing. Get this mixed up. And that's it. From here, we're just gonna spoon out some of our strawberries. And we'll top them with a little drizzle of our balsamic reduction. Serve your strawberries just as they are for an easy and delicious no-bake, gluten-free, dairy-free dessert, or you can get creative with this. Serve them with some fresh whipped cream. You can serve them topped over ice cream or even some pound cake, whatever you like, no matter how you cut it. This is a really easy, great springtime dessert. That is it for this week in the Cucina. Guys, you can find the recipe at caradifalco.com. You can find me at Cara Di Falco, Facebook and Instagram. And of course, please hit that subscribe button here if you are watching on YouTube. Free online cooking classes every Wednesday. I will see you guys next week. Bon appetit.